it can pop. Hell, I can start getting 50,000 views every Sunday because he keeps it popping. Hey, one of these days, y'all gonna have me in y'all algorithm and share me out, and then the next thing you know, I'm gonna be there because it take teamwork. Shouts out to the teams though. We got a team busting into a undercover hub turned into a grow facility. It's a short video, so let's get right back to it.
Please, show yourself, please. Oh, yo, come here. Yeah, what level are you on, Footsy? Because I've just seen somebody downstairs. Oh, there's more through here. Here, it's here. Here, stand still now. Stand still. Get out. At least one. He's not cuffed. He's not cuffed. Yeah. I think there's at least another one. Hey, come this way. Mind your head when you get it, okay? Blood's drying out. 2 bags of cannabis. Pretty much ready to go with them. I'd say somewhere between 20 and 30 grand there. You can see it pretty much goes to the back wall down there. That's the rear of the actual pub itself.
Shout out to my level 2 buy me a coffee member.
This is my first layer of color. I need
Appreciate that. Y'all know to go check out Melinda Elliott daily. She usually live in the mornings on her way to work.
I'm supposed to start with the light color first and the skin first if I can. Well, really the lightest color on the page first. And the skin appears to be the lightest color on the page. And, yep, this is my first layer. I'm going to go on to my second layer.
She's getting into some new hobbies, trying things out and making the content, right? Shout out to putting in that work. It's up to you to do it. Hey, you had a dream, but you got to wake up and make it reality, right?
I have a third, even darker layer around the edges. So right now, I put in my darker color, and
hey, Estro, good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good.
Lighter colors to do some blending and try and make it a little bit smoother. I just got a few more minutes to work, and then my break is over.
Carpenter, good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good.
From a distance, which is generally how you view a picture that you framed and put on your wall.
What they say, fire in the hole.
The coloring doesn't look too bad.
AKA it's 420 somewhere.
Looks to me like I need to do more blending, but yeah, considering it's the first adult coloring I've done, at least it's a good start.
This is over in Liverpool.
Underworld.
Shouts out to our European tour today, right?
Power and ruthless enterprise. As a major port city, it has served as a gateway for illicit goods and a breeding ground for formidable criminal empires. In the mid-19th century, the High Rip Gang and the Cornermen emerged as
we all do networking around here. It's all content creators in the chat usually. We get a few people that watch, but I want them to figure out who they watching with.
In the 1990s, Curtis "Cocky" Warren ascended to power, becoming one of Europe's most prolific drug lords. Warren's empire was vast, with operations extending across continents. His audacity and business acumen earned him